Hi everyone, this is MANVI Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So the topic is NRIs Right to Purchase a Property in India. Can NRIs buy Can NRIs buy real estate in India? Most people ask this question and the answer to this question is yes. The RBI circular now allows non-resident Indians to purchase a certain type of property. However, other type of property can also be purchased after it is approved by obtaining special permits. Type of properties where NRI can invest. NRI investors do not need to request special permission from RBI, nor do they need to send communication or intimation regarding the RBI. The RBI, through a circular, has granted journal communication or intimation regarding the RBI. The RBI, through a circular, has granted journal permission to NRIs for acquiring any number of residential or commercial properties. The income tax law also allow NRIs to own any amount of resident or commercial real estates. Now, joint ownership. NRI can act as the sole ownership or jointly purchase real estates each other with other NRIs. However, Indian residents or other person who are prohibited from investing in real estate in India cannot become the co-owner of the property, regardless of the co-owner contribution to the purchase. Property ownership after becoming NRI. What if someone who owns a property in India later become an NRIs? Such as a person can still own that property in India even after residing outside India. NRIs are also allowed to purchase otherwise after becoming an NRI. It depends on when you bought it. Okay. So now the another one is characteristics of NRI invest in India. NRI cannot purchase agriculture, land or plantation property in India. However, they can buy residential and commercial properties if there is a reason behind scouting for agriculture land. The Reserve Bank of India will review such interest on case to case basis. Like any other real estate purchase in India, NRIs is responsible for paying the necessary taxes such as stamp duties, registration fees, annual property and tax after purchasing, and even goods and services tax on property construction. Now, NRIs can also invest in real estates in India to earn rental income. They would be taxed at 30% via tax deducted at source (TDS) and the balance can be remitted to the country under FEMA regulations. Now the power of attorney. The NRI must give the power of attorney if they are outside India for executing the purchase transaction. It must be noted that the NRIs will need a specific power of attorney registered and notarized and not a general power of attorney to execute a property transaction. Now, a tax benefit. NRIs are eligible for a part of tax benefit available to resident India buyers. This if they sell the property they bought within 3 years. Within 3 years, the earning will then be taxed at it is deemed to be short-term capital again. Now the conclusion. Except for agriculture, land reform and plantation, NRI has no restriction on purchasing commercial or residential properties in India. NRIs has different rule and regulation for investing Indian real estates. The RBI, through a circular, has granted general permission to NRI for acquiring any number residential or commercial properties. The income tax law also allowed NRIs to allow any amount of residential or commercial real estates. So the non-residential Indian to purchase certain proper types of property. However, the type of property can also be purchased after it proved by obtaining special permission. So guys, this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.